It's finally here. This is the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Finally able to get my hand on it. It arrived in my mailbox quite early, and I decided to do an unboxing video to see what this new phone has to offer, considering I used to use the Samsung Galaxy S7 and I skipped the 8 and moved to the S9 Plus, and now this is S10 Plus. Sometime last year I was able to use the S9 Plus to cover a fashion show, the Monrovia Fashion Week, which was held in Philadelphia in the United States, and was able to deliver because the venue had poor lighting and this phone was shooting 4K videos in low light and made visuals right. You can check the video over here. I'm excited for the S10 Plus because 2019 I'll be going to cover lots of events. I'll be going on my travel vlogging and I'll be visiting lots of cities, and it'll be nice to have a reliable smartphone that will be able to do the job that even your GoPro or the SSR cameras will be able to shoot. This will be able to do it at $1,000, but from all I've heard, this phone will be able to keep up with all the rigorous exercises and activities you would need it to cover or do. So join me as I unbox this phone and let's see what's inside the box. So now let's get on with the unboxing of this beauty. It's a 128 gig version, and it's the Prism Blue. Yeah, the Prism Blue. Samsung came out with so many variants. Let's see what this one has for us. Okay. Says it comes pre-installed with a screen protector. Well, let's see. This device includes a pre-installed screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure it allows for use of all touch screen features, including the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Let's see what else again. Oh my god, this is a beauty. Has this, you can see, beauty. So if you can look through the camera, you can see the very thin screen protector that Samsung says they installed for the device. Let's put that aside. Let's see what else we have here. We have the USB fast charging plug adapter, USB Type-C, USB connector, the charging cable. You plug this, either plug this and plug it to the wall, or you plug it straight into a USB connecting device like your laptop or something. So this is what this is for. Then we have the AKG headphone, earphones. Sorry about that. Let's see. Put this aside. So obviously nothing again in the box. And we have all the usual blah 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 blah, creating your Samsung account and all the other jargons that come with it. the SIM ejector. So now let's go straight and see what this phone has. Let's see. We have the screens here, the cameras. We have the 3 camera lenses, very reflective glass, prism blue. This is the volume up, volume down button, and this is all the Bixby button. But from what we've been hearing around now is Samsung has given us the ability to redirect this button and use for other things, but it won't work with the Google Assistant from what I found out. But some people have found ways of bypassing this. Then you have the headphone slots. I think Samsung is one of the few phone makers that are still keeping this, but I doubt if this would be a trend in the next version of the Galaxy phones. And this is the power slot. And this is a speaker grill, and the SIM and memory slot. Yeah. So let's set this up and see how it goes. So now let's go through brush through some of the features this phone has. I know you guys have read through all the features, but I just want to rush through most of it. For the camera at the back, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus has a 16 milliamp ultra wide lens, a dual pixel 12 megapixel wide lens, and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. And man, oh my, from all the videos and clips I've seen, I've been able to see that the Samsung Galaxy S10 shoots some very beautiful wide shots. Like, you get all the details in every picture you shoot. And for those of us who love to take selfie, the front has 2 cameras. The first one is a 12 megapixel camera, and the other one is an 8 megapixel camera, but mostly used for creating that nice depth when you take your selfie. So now let's set it up and get it ready to get all this out of the way. And let's start the real business of the day, the setup. And peel it here. And let's start up this device. See, yeah, it's all started.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps. Let's look at the terms and conditions. Let's look at the terms and conditions. Once you read and agree to these, Wi-Fi would be quite handy here. Choose a network.
So let me set up the Wi-Fi, and I'll continue with the setup. Now let's set up. So in this case, you have to try and set up as much as you can, the various fingers you want to use to unlock your phone. doing my left thumb, trying to make sure it covers as much as possible so that whenever you want to unlock your phone, it's easy to do. So it's done, and let's go into the phone. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. So this is a walkthrough of what right now is on the phone. So I was setting the phone up and getting it ready. So while I was waiting for the phone to arrive, I was able to get from Amazon some cases. I ordered for 2, but only this arrived at the moment, and try this out and see if it fits. So it fits, it's transparent, and it fits well with the beauty and color of the phone. And you could see the speaker grill, the charging port, and the headphone jack slot. It shows the buttons are very responsive. It's very responsive. Bixby is also ready to set up, and everything, it seems fine. So there you have it. The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is something I'm so excited to try out over the next couple of days and weeks. You can check out samples of my videos and pictures from this phone on my social media platform on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So just follow me and let's see. This is something I'm so excited to try out. The Samsung Galaxy S10 comes in 3 variants right now: S10e, S10, and there is the S10 Plus. The S10e goes for about $750. The S10 goes for $899. 10 Plus goes for $1,000. So what do you think about the phone? Will you be getting yours? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you will be getting one, which color will you be going for? I have here the Prism Blue, and it's really beautiful. I really love the all screen. And another feature I was so excited about for the S10 Plus is the on-screen fingerprint. Works perfectly well. Works really well. So this is the S10 Plus. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next one. Peace.